Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an Binance account, and I will show you this as quick as possible how you can do this. Alright, first of all, download the Binance app, and then after this click here on create a Binance TH account. Then right now enter your email, then fill in a password. Then I have read and agreed to terms of use, and I agreed and consented to receive personal marketing information on email, push or something. You can turn that on, but I don't want that, so I turn that off. Then we do further, then do the security verification. Let's go. And then right now they send a verification to your email. So go to your email. So right here is the code, copy the code and paste it just right here and then do submit. Alright, now we created our account, and then now there's one thing that you need to do, and that is verify your account. So make your account personal with an ID or something. You can click here on verify now and then make sure that you do these verifications so you can deposit or withdraw on your Binance account. So this is exactly how you create an account on Binance. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.